Saudi Arabia is an amazing country. The weather is fantastic, the people are amazing, the men, the women, everybody is so inviting and they make us feel like family.
It's my first time in Saudi Arabia, so I'm really, I take a lot of positive things back home from this country, and I also hope to come back next year. And yeah, for me it's a super nice feeling also to win the race.
I went to the north in Tuwaiq to visit the beautiful landscapes, desert, and I went in Riyadh, which is really beautiful city.
Yesterday we visited Riyadh, Old Town, and we made a city tour. It was very interesting, especially Riyadh, because it is a beautiful place. And today downtown, and sure the mass so to get in touch with Saudi history.